Hey everyone, this is Katie and I'm going to be doing a quick pink eyeshadow look and a metallic lip demo. I'm going to be using the Too Faced glitter glue to put on my glitter eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Stila glitter eyeshadow in Sunset Cove, it's a pink. And then for the lips, I'm going to be using the Kylie lip kit, and this is in with the new, it's a metallic lip kit. I'm going to start with the glitter glue. That's what it looks like. You don't have to with Stila apply glitter glue because it will stay, won't fall off, it lasts all day. You don't have to reapply it, but I just do it out of habit. Let that dry for a second. I'm gonna wipe off my finger. I'm going to apply the Kylie while this is drying. This is in with the new. And a great quick tip is to line your whole lip for your liquid lipstick to last. This is in with the new, and I'll show you what it looks like. And then I'm going to apply the Stila Sunset Cove. And this is a metallic, or it's a magnificent metal, and they don't unfortunately make the Sunset Cove anymore in stores. You can get it though off eBay. That's where I got mine. You can just take a little. And that's very, very simple, very easy. Just, I'm gonna wipe my finger off. Just wanted to share with you a very simple pink eyeshadow and then a pink metallic look. Thank you for always watching.